Hey everyone, this is Crypto Dynamic. This is my very first video on my YouTube channel. Welcome. Hope that you will subscribe for my future videos. I just want to get this one out here into the world, out into the ether, just to talk about what this channel is going to be about and kind of show you something that I've have been seeing with Bitcoin lately. So let me pull up here real quick. This is TradingView software. Just quickly, if you were like myself when I first started out, you're kind of at the whim of the markets. You don't know why the price is going up, why it's going down. You're asking around, well, what happened today to make the price go up, or why are we crashing? So if you get into technical analysis and using the charts, you have a better understanding. Just like as I've been learning, there's certain patterns that can help. I've watched some YouTube videos, some YouTubers who use this software and do technical analysis, and they can really pinpoint some of the price points where you would want to buy or sell. The software here, there's different indicators, moving averages, Ichimoku clouds. We'll talk about all that. I just want to show you real quick. This is something I have going on here. This is one of my charts for CKB, or Nervos Network. You should definitely check it out. We were able to pinpoint the price of where this wave here was going to end, and then we're hopefully looking at the next wave up, and looking at the price where we can sell it. So these are things that I will go over with you guys, so hopefully you can see it. I have a disclaimer that this is not financial or trading advice, so just for entertainment purposes. So don't make any decisions based on the information in my channel. Okay. So that being said, let's look at Bitcoin, and this is Bitcoin here. This is the chart and how you can read it. The price as it goes high, and these little mountains here, those are the price goes up, and then the price goes down. Everything to the left is what's already happened. Everything to the right, where we don't see, is the future. One of my favorite YouTubers, and hopefully I can mention him later on if I get permission to use his name in his channel. He uses very simple indicators, and I've really adopted the method. Just zooming out keeps it really simple. You can see the trends of the market using Elliott wave theory and Fibonacci. Elliott wave, you have a lot of times, not always, but if it gets into a pattern, you have these waves: wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you'll have the price go up and then come back down for number 2. They call that a correction, and then it'll go up. Number 3 wave is very impulsive. It'll go up rather quickly, and then it'll correct down on 4. Sometimes that will take a while. Then 5 is another pretty good impulsive wave, especially in crypto. It can really take off. So that's the Elliott wave theory. And just real quick, I hope this records well on my recorder, but you can use Fibonacci to say, hey, where's 4 going to end? So I want to buy there. So this is really good spots where it's most likely to end before rising back up. But like I said, this video, I want to get this out here because, okay, so Bitcoin, if we use our regular pattern, 5-wave pattern here, this is what a lot of YouTubers and analysis people who are doing this are thinking: 1, 2, 3, and then we're right here. And this has kind of confused some of us. I think that some of us think that this is a wave 5 headed up. Some people think that this is actually a weird wave 4 that it's heading down before we go up to 5. So a lot of people are just kind of wondering, and this really had me weirded out too, is that if this is wave 4, why is it trading up here above the peak of wave 3? So did some more research into something. I found different patterns of the waves. Where are we? And right here, there's you still have your Elliott wave, but it's called an ending diagonal in a bull run. So you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, wave, but your last final fifth wave becomes more complex, and it has sub-waves or intermediate waves that just kind of extend out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves within the wave, and then each of those waves has a B, C corrections, what they call it. So that's what you kind of get here. So I did some research and looking around, and I don't see anybody particularly talking about this pattern. So I just want to get this out there and see if anybody agrees with me. Even if, if you're not a beginner and you've been doing this a while, maybe you say, hey, this guy is barking up the wrong tree. So I took here, let me do the yellow one first. So basically I took the diagonal ending and decided to overlay that with where we're at Bitcoin right now. And as you see, it looks to me like that is adding up. Not financial or trading advice, of course. Just showing you something that may be a possibility. So I'm just going to collapse that regular wave 5. So I believe that we have already seen the end here of the wave 4. And we are on this ending, what do we call it? Ending diagonal in a bull run of Bitcoin here. So there is our wave 5. Pretty cool, eh? So, a lot of ones who thought that we're not going to see an end to the bull market. We're not going to see $100,000 Bitcoin until January, February. That's why they thought that this is a wave 4 correction, and then it has to be a wave 5 out here headed up. But like I said, I think this is still getting us in the same time frame, right? We're going to be January, February, March. We're just going to get there a different path like this. So maybe we can expect to see this, and we can hopefully see an uptrend to the top of a $100,000 Bitcoin. So like I said, I hope this helps just to give you an idea of what you can do with technical analysis and what you'll be seeing on my channel if you subscribe. And if we get popular, hopefully we can keep this going. So thanks everybody, and we'll catch you on the next one.